Hi, welcome everybody to my channel once again. Today we are going to see how we can make a pen drive bootable with multiple operating system. So without much further ado, let's kick in. So first of all, we will open up our browser and then we will write here Ventoy download for Windows. Okay. So once you enter that, so this is the software that you have to download, but the stable one we will download it. So stable for Windows, you can just go here or any one of this. So you can go if you are using Windows 10 or Windows 8 or 7 like that. So just click this and automatically downloading will start. So once you do that, you can close. As for me, I have already downloaded, so I don't have to download once again. So I'll just fire up the download option here. So it will be downloaded this way and in a compressed file. So I have just extract the file. So now this is the file, and then my version is 1.077. This is the version. Now this is the stable one, so download the same version. After that, you just open the folder, and inside here you'll find so many things. It's an open source, supported for Linux and Windows, so I'm using the Linux one. So once you come here, you just there will be different multiple software are there, different usage, but as of now we're going to use this one, Ventoy. To this, select this one, right click and run as administrator. It's a small software but very powerful. So once you select this, you will be asked to select your pen drive. So mine is automatically selected. It's a 32 GB pen drive. So but make sure that your pen drive is empty. So when you open this is my pen drive, F drive, 32 GB pen drive. So nothing is there, so it is by default is selected, or if you have any other, you can just select click down and select the right one, and the version they have shown here. Once it is done, so there is already here installed. So if you don't have any important data in your pen drive, then you can straight away install that, select that, but they will give you a warning that data once you formatted data will be lost and all that. If nothing's there, you can just go ahead by clicking yes, and you can see that it is started installing. So it's a small file and it will automatically install. So now it's saying that congratulations, you have succeeded. So that's it, the difference. The small file. After that, you can just close this. We don't need this anymore. Now you just go back to your pen drive. As you can see here, this is the place. So now there is nothing here, but here what you need to do is you need now only the ISO file of different operating system images that you have downloaded. So you just open this pen drive, go to your as for me, I've already have the Windows images, so I just want to copy those images to my pen drive. So this is your pen drive, and then I have my Windows images here. So right now I'm going to drag this Windows 11 image file. Remember, this is not you don't have to extract, you just have to put direct the image file to your pen drive. So right now I'm going to put this Windows 11 version here. Okay, I'm just copying that, I'm just dragging. I want to put Windows 11 plus I want to put Windows 10 as well. Okay, so multiple operating system you can put. So it's copying now to my pen drive the ISO file. So if you need like this different operating system, you can also put here. So it's a small software, very handy. It's very easy, so you don't have to extract or you don't have to do that. So once the Ventoy you have installed, it's good enough. And then the good thing about this is you don't have to format every time. You just have to delete those ISO files and then you can copy another one again. So as of now, I'm going to put this 3 operating system, and if I want this others also, that later on you can put again. So as of now, I'm good enough to put this 3 operating system that is copying here. As you can see, is the Windows 11. I'm copying Windows 10, and then Windows 8.1. So I want to put these 3 images into this pen drive. So once finished, you will see that only the images, the 3 images here. So once you finish copying this file, the images, you just once you pull out the pen drive, and then just put the pen drive to the system where you want to install, and then the Ventroy will boot up and go to the BIOS and then select the pen drive. Automatically Ventroy will start, and then you can select the images from there. So the Ventroy will help you to install by the group this commands. So it's a good files, like it's a small file, so it's good. So for now I'm just going to fast forward this video, and then we'll be back once the copying is done. It's almost done, so we just have to be a little patient and wait, because the more the size, it will take more time to send the images. So guys, just be ready, it's almost done. So guys, now it is done. So now as you can see that the images I have put, I have not compressed that or I have not extracted. I've just put direct the image file. So now we are good to go. So we just have to plug out our pen drive from the system, and then put to the system where you want to make the installations, and then go to the BIOS and do the settings and start installing. So now our Ventroy is ready. I just link here. So now as you can see here, the name also is changed, so it's that Ventroy. So now we're good to go. So guys, I hope this video has been informative for you, and I'd like to thank you, and do continue to support, share, like, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, and see you in the next video.